Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to retake your Indeed assessments. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new account first. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to retake your Indeed assessments, you need to go to the Help Center. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on it. Once you're in your profile page, here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Now from the given option, choose Help Center, choose Help for Job Seekers option. Now here you'll see different categories of issues. We need to find the Indeed assessments option. Here you can see the Indeed assessment option. You can tap on this Explore More Articles. Now scroll down. As we are trying to retake the Indeed assessments, here you need to find the similar options. You can see Retaking an Indeed assessment option over here. Select it. Now in order to retake your Indeed assessments, scroll down and here you can see Assessment Reset Tool. Tap on it. Now it will take you to the page where you can request a retake for your Indeed assessments. You must have already submitted an assessment before in order to retake it again. As you can see, I have not taken any assessments before, so it is not showing up here. So if you have already taken Indeed assessments before and you want to retake it, you can follow the same process and you'll see your options. You'll see different assessments that you have submitted before, and you can select the particular assessments which you want to retake. And you need to keep in mind that you can reset each assessment only once. So that's it. That's how you can retake your Indeed assessments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.